सब्सक्राइब करिए हमारे चैनल स्टार स्टडी हब को और बेल आइकन दबाइए ताकि आपको हमारे वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशंस ऐसे ही मिलती रहे।
Hi everyone, this is Prity Kumari and I am pursuing my graduation from Banaras Hindu University. I am in front of you to share my views on the topic private coachings are boon to education system and I am in against of it. If the quality of education is stuck due to profit motive and the large expenditures are expected from those where 40% of population are not able to even maintain a minimum standard of living, then how can we say that it's a boon to our education system? It is just like that it sucks our blood, but in spite of that we are praising it. If we talk about the education system of India, then we see in India education is provided from various levels, from the center, from the state and at the local levels. And as far as the constitutional terms are required, Article 45 says that there is a provision for providing free and compulsory education to all the children between 6 to 14 years of age. And according to the data of annual status on education report, 96% of students from the rural areas are enrolled in the primary level, but the sad point is that only 40% are enrolled in the secondary level. One of the reasons behind it is that approximately 25% teachers are absent every day, and they are those who are indulged in the private coaching centers for their more benefit, for their more profit motive, and they are not satisfied with their own salary. And private coaching is nothing but just like a platform for providing ready-made stuff related to the academics of the students. It decreases the potential and the capability of the students to solve their problems on their own. They heavily dependent on the coaching centers for their stuffs and all the materials and the notes related to their academics. And education is not something only attending the class. It is related beyond that. It requires the proper infrastructure, proper environment for the holistic development of a student. It is not limited within the four walls of a room, and that's why it can only be ensured through the schools and the colleges, not by the coaching centers and the other things related with that. So as a responsible citizen, we should understand this issue and the problems and the consequences related with it. And also we see that the infrastructure of the private coaching centers are also not well equipped, and it may risk to the health and the life of the students. As recently we see news that in May 2019 in Surat, 22 students were dead only because of the fire in the coaching centers. They are not even very equipped with all the basic requirements that are indulged and which is the required parameter for it. So at last but not the least, I want to conclude by saying that we the students and the teachers have the immense potential to improve the education system of our country, but what we need is to find it, discover it and grow it. Then in a real sense we can become the responsible citizen of our country. Thank you and have a nice day.